Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have an Ford Explorer 2012 model. This car have a problem, AC not working. Okay, when I AC on, but compressor not on. Okay, compressor off. That's the problem. Today I will show you how you can solve this problem if happen with you in your car. How you can solve very easily. Okay, see now my AC on, but AC compressor, you can see here inside AC compressor not working. See, AC compressor not working. See here, clutch is not working. Okay, so what is the problem actually? Problem in my fuse box relay. This is for AC. Okay, see, this is loose connection. I don't know who remove, or sometimes this is damaged. So see, now I fix properly this one, and then see, now working. Okay, thank you. So if your car AC not work, check this relay. Okay.